Hi, hello friends, welcome to Indian Tech Guru for you. So let us discuss one of the question that has been sent by our students. Length and breadth of a rectangle field is 60 meters and 45 meters respectively. A road for jogging inside the park is to be constructed of width 1.5 meters and its distance from the boundary should be 2 meters. Find the total cost if cost per meter square is rupees 16.50. So first let us draw the rectangular shape. Rectangular shape is like this. The length is 60 meters and the breadth is 45 meters. Now from the boundary leave 2 meters and we are going to construct a road for jogging. So this is the road for jogging outer side and the width of the road is 1.5 meters. So this is the inner side of the road. Okay, so this is the overall diagram representation, and what we need to find? We need to find the area of this particular road. Okay, we need to find area of this particular road so that we know what is the cost per meter square and we can calculate how much cost to construct this particular road. So for this purpose, initially what is the area of this particular rectangle? Length into breadth, 60 meters into 45 meters, but we don't need the area of the rectangle, but we need the area of this particular internal rectangle. Okay, so this is the outer boundary. This is the outer boundary. Now what will be the length and breadth of this outer rectangle of this road? Just subtract 2 plus 2, 4 meters from length, 2 plus 2, 4 meters from breadth. Okay, 4 meters, 4 meters. Then you will get 56 meters into 41 meters. So this is the area of the outer rectangle. Okay, so if we calculate 56 into 41, 56, 4 6 are 24, 4 5 are 20, 22, 6 9 2 2. So this will be 2296 meter square area of this particular outer rectangle, but we need the area of the inner rectangle also, so that we can calculate the area of this particular area. So how could we get the area of inner rectangle? So 1.5 plus 1.5, subtract 1.5 plus 1.5 is 3 meters, 3 meters, 3 meters, subtract from the length as well as breadth. Now you will get 53 meters into 38 meters. So calculate 53 into 38, 8 3 is 24, 8 5 is 40, 42, 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15, 4, 11, 10, 2, 2014, 2014 meter square. Now we will get the area of this particular road by subtracting this value with this value. So 282 meter square. So now we found the area of this particular road, 282 meter square. Okay, so the cost for 1 meter square is 16.50. So what should be the cost of 282 meter square? We need to find out. 282 into 16 16 2s 32, 16 8s 128, 128 3 131, 16 2s 32, so 5 4, 4 5 1 2, 4 5 1 2. So this 0.5 rupees, just we need to take 282 by 2, 141. Add this 141, 3 5 6 4, 4653. So it will be 4653 rupees. So what is the cost? 4653 rupees is the cost to actually construct the road inside of that particular park. Like this, we need to solve this type of a problem. Hope you understand this problem. That's all for now.